everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to see how we can have some really beautiful African marigolds. As you can see, this is what I am going to be using. These are the seeds, okay, and how we can grow them very easily without putting on a whole lot of weight, as in not using a whole lot of soil. And this is for the potted balcony garden or something that you want to hang from your railings or balcony grills, and it should not have a whole lot of weight, right? So that's going to be very easy to grow. And also, mostly that I have seen from my experience, that marigolds are mostly like perennials, and they are mostly like annuals, and not even annuals, they like grow for like 6 months. They will flower a whole lot if you're fertilizing them properly, and after that they kind of like dry out on their own when the summer arrives. So they're not really for a very long time, not even for 6 months, more or less 3 or 4 months, and you have to try and get as much flowers from them as possible. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I upload all of the gardening videos that I feel will be very, very helpful in knowing and see. Let us, as you can see, right? Very strong bottom part. The black colored part is quite strong, and it's a really good quality. Now the mix that we are going to use is, yes, this is a little surprising for you guys probably, but the mix I'm going to use is almost 70% by volume, not weight, obviously, because this is really fluffy and lightweight, and garden soil is obviously not that fluffy and lightweight. So this is going to be almost, say, about 65 to 70% by volume of any kind of cocoa peat or mulch or sawdust, whatever you are going to use to retain water. They will be growing. I will be planting quite a few in this pot, okay, and not like singularly in 1 or 2 pots. No, I will be growing quite a few in this pot, and their basic requirement that I've seen is water and fertilizer. They don't really care a lot about the soil. Also, they don't generate a whole lot of system of roots that goes really, really deep into the soil and will stay for a long time. No. So our focus should be on retaining water for the plants and fertilizing them. I'm just going to be using seaweed because the last time I used it, it gave really good results. And occasionally after the plants are kind of like grown, which is something like the height of these guys, okay, then I start to fertilize it at regular interval, like every week, with a liquid fertilizer, trying to maintain the acidic and also the alkaline balance of the soil. I use the strained tea leaves water, and seaweed I use a little bit more in gaps, say of like a month or so. So if you fertilize it with seaweed extract like once a month for the entire time that the plants are growing, say 4 months or 5 months at best, then they will give really good results. Don't fertilize it with seaweed again and again every single week, because otherwise the chances of pests attacking the plants will be more, and due to their excessive nitrogen content at that point. So that, but every week you can just put in a little bit of strained tea leaves. So it's good if you're a tea drinker. So these are the ratios, okay. This is 65 to 70% by volume, and this is about 30% by volume, and quite a few seaweed granules, as you can see. Now we are going to be first diluting it in a little bit of water. I've kept a little bit of length that is empty. I've kept a little bit of mixture of the soil. Now this soil is also going to subside a little bit as and when we go on pouring in water. Place the seeds with the white part up, the germination of marigolds. See the white portions, you can see. I'm just going to cover it up with another layer of soil. Seaweed granule diluted water, and we're going to keep it at a sunny place so that it germinates really fast. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys for more.